Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Hey, hey, hola amigos y amigos, este es Cristóbal Colón. Yo descubro América en 1492. Ah, mucho gusto, mucho gusto. Hey, everybody, why is Chris speaking in Spanish and wearing a sombrero? Well, ladies and gentlemen, we celebrate all the major holidays here at Questions for Chris, and hoy es Cinco de Mayo, and I'm super excited to go out and grab a margarita instead of a mega cup of coffee today, and so I'm very excited about the show, ladies and gentlemen, very excited. Mucho gusto to Cinco de Mayo, ladies and gentlemen. As always, we'd like to thank our studio audience for being in here today. Thank you so much, studio audience. It's fabulous to be here. Oh my gosh, look, we've got special guests. It's Barack and Michelle Obama. Ladies and gentlemen, they love it. And look at Michelle. She's doing the thing from the theme song. Who knew, man? She loves the show. She's doing the hey part from the show. Hey, anyway, if you guys would like to do a copy of the theme song, the words, just in case you don't know, are duh. And if you'd like to sing it and post it to my Facebook, I'd love to have it on there and share the beautiful music of the song with others. And also, if you'd like to be in my studio audience, send me your photo business card and we'll make sure to add you to the studio audience at some time in the future. Next, I'd like to thank Chris and Adriana from Eagan, Minnesota, ladies and gentlemen, for my tie of the week. Tie of the week. It's called Scaly Monster and the Blue Man, ladies and gentlemen. And if you'd like to donate a tie to the show to help me look fabulous for the show, please send one to Questions for Chris, and the information will be ready for you at the end of the show, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks a lot for joining. Today we're going to talk about a subject that's near and dear to my heart, ladies and gentlemen. It's called personal branding. And my whole goal on this show is to make you the most fabulous salesperson that you could be. And as a salesperson, what we have is our personal brand, and our personal brand is us. Okay? It starts with, there are 5 major parts to our personal brand, and what we need to do is maximize our personal brand by focusing on these 5 key areas. Alright? And before I jump into those 5 key areas, though, I wanted to go to some real questions for real readers. And question number one comes to us from Eric in Chaska. And Eric says, Chris, you know, I've been struggling with my personal brand for a while, and so it's great that you have it on the show today. I've got a Chihuahua. Is there any way I can fit a Chihuahua into my personal brand? Eric, that's a great question. That's a great question. However, I just want to let you know that it's already been taken. Lady, personal brand. This is a brand, ladies and gentlemen. Who is this? Who's this person? Paris Hilton, right? She's got the Chihuahua in there, Paris Hilton. So number 1 in our key areas for personal brand is your name. Take a look at this guy right here. Who's this guy right here? What's his name? Tiger Woods, all right? Tiger Woods is his name. What's his website? TigerWoods.com. When you look at him, he's Tiger Woods, all right? He's the tiger. Right? We just know that because he's the tiger. So number 1, the most important thing is the name. Question number 2, or real question number 2, comes to us from Tina over in St. Paul, and Tina says, you know, hey, Chris, what are the other 4 parts of my brand? I already have my name. What else should I do? Tina, that's a great question. So I'm going to go through the other 4. Number 2 is going to be your company, all right? What's this? The Golden Arches. Okay, that's a company. I know exactly what's going to happen when I go to the Golden Arches. My daughter at age 5 knew exactly what was going to happen when she went to the Golden Arches. It's a company, it's a brand. Take advantage of your company brand and you'll be a huge success. So number 1 is your name. Number 2 is your company brand. Number 3 is your phone number. As you can see, we have the Questions for Chris phone number right up there on the wall. But if you're in my market area and you dial this phone number, 4888888, tied to the song, you know what you get? You get pizza! Ladies and gentlemen, you deliver it right to your house. It's fabulous. So you can't tell me that one little thing isn't important. If you can incorporate all the things together, they're fabulous. So number 1 is your name. Number 2 is your company. Number 3 is your phone number. And then number 4 is going to be your email address. And that's in a combination of number 5, which is your website. And your website is right there. There's my website for Chris Prescott and the Prescott Group, ladies and gentlemen, with my phone number. So if you can incorporate all of those things into your simple brand message, your name, your company, your phone number, your email, and your website, and you really only need 1, those 5 components make up your brand, you're going to be a rock star, okay? You got to get those together and you got to make them work. There's a fabulous book out there by a guy by the name of Jeff Gitomer. I don't know if you ever read this. He's got the little black book of selling, this little red book of sales answers. He's got all kinds of different things in there. But there's a fabulous chapter in here on personal branding, and you know what? His name, Jeff Gitomer, okay? His website is gitmer.com, all right? So it's all, he's doing the same thing and teaching you how to do it. So it's a great, fabulous book when you have time. So I guess that's all I have time for today. I just want you to know your personal brand is fabulous when you're a salesperson. I want you to be a fabulous success. And as you know, if you have any questions for me, oh, I went crazy there for a minute. You can contact me, Chris Prescott, 952-944-1728. Look at my brand, ladies and gentlemen, brand message. And as you always know, this has been Questions for Chris. Da 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 da.